everyone, in this tutorial we are going to create a time freeze effect in Adobe Premiere Pro, so let's get started. First open Premiere Pro and import a video clip to the timeline. And now select a frame where you want to freeze. And click on this little camera icon to take a snapshot. Select the format as PNG. And check on this box Import into Project and hit on OK. Now drag and drop the image from the project panel to the timeline. Resize the image like this. And right-click on the image and select Edit in Adobe Photoshop and it will open Photoshop. After the image has been opened with Photoshop, open the Properties panel in Photoshop. If you can't see this Properties panel, go to Windows panel and select Properties. And open this Quick Actions Properties and select Remove Background, and it will remove the background of the image. After the background is removed, save the image by pressing Ctrl+S, or you can use this way. And again go back to Premiere Pro, and let's have a preview of our effect. So like that way, we can make many time freeze effects. Now I will make another time freezing effect, by using the previous method. So we have made the time freezing effect. So let's have a preview of our animation. So we have made the effect, and let's meet at the next video. Have a nice day, goodbye.